Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a Fox-tastic day. I wanted to thank you for stopping by my channel today. I appreciate that. If this is your first time here, though, listen, you've been missing out on a lot of good stuff. You really have been, because I put out videos on a regular basis to help you make money online. So that you don't miss out on any more good goodies that I put out, click on the subscribe button right now, just right there below. You know where it is. Just go ahead and slap it. All right, and then go ahead and click the bell too. That way you'll get notified every time I put out a new video on helping you to make money online. So I wanted to address something that is an issue with most people that attempt to make money online, and that is that they will say, I don't know how to convert people. I'm not a salesperson, and that's true for a lot of people. But what if there was a way that SaveClub, which is the program that we're talking about today, could do the selling for you? In other words, they could convert your leads. They could convert your traffic into paid members. And what if SaveClub could do that in a multitude of languages, whether it's English or Spanish or Japanese or whatever it might be, Russian, Chinese, whatever, okay? That would make recruiting so much easier. That would make converting on your team so much easier. And even if you couldn't train those people because, well, Dan, okay, so somebody in another language comes in and I don't speak that language, how am I going to train them? SaveClub does that too in their language. So rather than me talk about exactly how this works, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a short portion of a video from SaveClub CEO Charles Mui, where he talks about exactly that and how SaveClub can do this for you. So let's take a look at that now.
Way into your phone. I just did a phone update the other day, and now there's all these AI tools in my phone. And then the websites are now using AI. You go to Google, it's not a Google search anymore. It's a Google search with Gemini. It's using AI, and it's sucking down the power. You might notice your power bill going up because power is more expensive because this AI sucks so much power. It requires a lot of energy to do all this advanced computing. But here's the thing. AI is here. It's here to stay. It's a quantum shift within our society. The quantum shift is when something comes along, and if you don't take part in it, you are left behind. Just like when personal computers came along, if your business didn't use them, you were left behind. If when cell phones came out, you didn't start using a cell phone, you're left behind. When smartphones came out, you don't use a smartphone, you're left behind. Now AI is here, and if you don't use it, you're not part of the way the society is going. But here's the thing. Is AI making you money? Did artificial intelligence make you money today? Well, soon to be. So we've put together a platform on the Microsoft 365 platform, which is the best, biggest built system. I don't know how many billions of dollars power this, but did you know that Skype, that's been around, been a staple society for 20 years, household name Skype. Skype is done because Microsoft, which owns Skype, is moving everything to the 365 platform, the same platform we're running on, that we've licensed. And Microsoft has also dumped billions of dollars into their Copilot, Microsoft Copilot AI. And this is what's going to be powering SaveClub's AI. And this is to do customer service, training, and sales. So when you've got a powerful AI working for you, following up with your prospects, explaining the opportunity to your prospects, and getting them to upgrade from free to paid member, and you get paid that week, this is a way to use a multi-billion-dollar platform with a $60 annual affiliate fee and put AI working for you 24/7. And some of the videos and promotions and trainings and stuff that we've been building in the background for the release of this AI, which should be this month, before we end this pre-launch, we should have AI working for everybody in the field, which is when that drops, it's going to send a shockwave through the industry because people are going to hear about it, they're going to experience it, and even more leaders and more people are going to come rushing to get involved with Save Club.
So there you see it. I mean, that ought to be exciting, because what we're talking about here is that if you have no skill in the sales or customer service or any of that, Save Club is taking care of it through the AI. And if you didn't catch this, there's no additional charge for this. Once you become an affiliate, that's included as part of your affiliate tools. So you're not paying some extra exorbitant amount of money in addition to what you would already pay. All right. I mean, this is just really awesome. So if you are on the fence with this, which you shouldn't be, okay, because think about this. This is going to eliminate a lot of issues that people have. This is going to eliminate a lot of excuses people have why they can't make money online. AI is here to stay, folks, and so we might as well use it to our advantage. So what I would recommend to you, Charles talked about that the plan is to have it implemented before we launch. We're in pre-launch right now. So to have it implemented before we launch, and launch date is June 1st. So that's the plan. But don't wait till then, all right? Because people are joining this program left and right every day. And so what I recommend to you, even if you're on the fence, to go, I have a link in the description. Go ahead and click it. Join the power line for free. That gets you in a position so you can take a look in the back office a little bit, but also you can see the amount of people that's joining behind you. All right. And then once you've taken that free tour and you're on the power line, then you can choose to upgrade. And if you upgrade, then you don't lose. You lock in your position. All right. You lock it in. So don't wait till the end of this month to go ahead and get in. Go in now, because I'm telling you, there are going to be a lot of leaders coming into this business, and you don't want to miss out. So click the link. Even if you're ready to go, he says, I'm not on the fence, Dan. Okay. Then go ahead and click the link now and sign up for free, and then go ahead and upgrade. Go ahead and upgrade. Let's get you going so you lock your position in. All right. So that's all I wanted to cover today. I wanted to really help you understand that this is a game changer for those who can't convert. All right. So if you got something out of this video today, do me a favor and click on the like button. That really helps me out with my algorithms on YouTube. Then click on the comments. I welcome comments, good, bad, or indifferent, and because I do respond to them. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if this is your first time here to my channel, welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. And I invite you to go ahead and click on the subscribe button. That way you can see the videos that I put out on a regular basis that help you make money online. And in fact, click on the bell. Ring that bell, because that way you'll get notified when I put out the new video. So we appreciate you. Always do. And we will see you in the next video. And you have a foxtastic day.